Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. You know, they say lightning never strikes the same place twice, but here we are again with a 2022 Ford F-150 Lightning. This time with our 3-inch lift kit featuring aluminum upper control arms. With 3 inches of lift, this Lightning rises to become an upper level atmospheric disturbance. And for the wheel, the irony is not lost that we went with a fuel Siege in platinum. It really sets off this carbonized gray, and it is wrapped in a Nitto Recon Grappler in a 295/60/20. Now, we didn't rain down on this Lightning with accessories, but we did add some, starting with our RPT2 steps. It's a running board style step that looks great with the F-150. To add a little light to the Lightning, we've added our Osram ditch lights. And bringing up the rear, we've got our hard trifold tonneau cover to add additional secure storage if you've got too much junk in the front. Now, we are amped up about the Lightning and things to come for it. But whether you've got an EV, gas, or diesel, we've got the parts for you at roughcountry.com.